Alrighty, so this is for IXL E5 or 6K2 for the geometry group. Alright, so in this week we've been talking about parallel and perpendicular slopes. So remember, parallel have to have identical slopes, perpendicular have to have opposite reciprocals. So let's look at this. Line J has a slope of 2 over 7. Line K is perpendicular to that. Okay, so when I see the word perpendicular, the first thing that pops into my mind is opposite, reciprocal. Oops, I teach math. Reciprocal, that's spelled right. All right, what is the slope of this line? So I need to take this slope of 2 over 7 and make an opposite reciprocal of it. So the first part is the opposite part. It's currently positive, I need to make it negative. The reciprocal part is I need to also flip. So 7 over 2. You can have an improper fraction, so this is your slope that you'll type in. All right, let's try again. The equation of line G is y equals 7 over 6x plus 3. The equation of line H is y equals 6 over 7x plus 5. Are the G and line H's parallel or perpendicular, or neither? So the first thing, let's go ahead and just highlight what's important here. The slopes, the only thing I really care about in either of these equations. So one is 7 over 6 and one is 6 over 7. And so they are reciprocals. It's flipped, but they're not opposite reciprocals. So we know they're definitely not parallel because they're not identical. The perpendicular, they only meet half of the criteria. They're both positive, and they can't be, so they cannot be perpendicular either. Your answer here would be neither. Last one. Line V has a slope of negative 3 over 2. Line W is parallel to line V. So what's the slope of line W? Well, the word parallel, to be parallel, they have to have identical or the same exact slopes. So if it's asking line W, if it's asking for that slope, it's going to be identical to the one it gave us. So it'd just be negative 3 over 2. Just identical. It's just testing your ability to know what parallel means.